Bencoolen Building. Sa likod lang siya ng Bugis Street. Katabi ng Albert Center. I'll put the link in the comment section for the Google Map. OG. Katapat lang siya ng OG. And this is the Bencoolen. So we're gonna go inside. And we're going up. Yes? No, you can't. Just don't make trash, okay? Throw your trash properly. I think it's upstairs. Oh, we check here. I think it's here. What? Oh, yeah. That's for decoration. Yeah, a lot of Chinese things here. Yes, correct. That's Buddha. See? Yes. So, this is the watch shop. See? No, this one. So, this is my favorite 3D shop. 3D watch shop. This is 3D trading watch shop. So, super daming relo dito. Ayan, nakakita na agad yung kids ng watch nila. You have your watch na already, darling. How much is it? How much? $9 and 2 cents.
$9 and
So may mga edifice sila, Casio watch, $80. More watches, $69. Casio watches, $45, $81. Branded watch, police watch, Kenneth Cole, Guess watch. This one. So they have Coach watch here, Calvin Klein, Citizens watch. So from 600, I think 150 lang yan. 150. Naka-sale na yan. Citizen watch. Boss watch. So nagpaayos ako ng watch. Kasi maluwag sa akin. Casio watch. May Casio watch. Yeah, think better.
Right now, put in the box. Put in the plastic.
No need. That one?
Yeah,
Yes.
this one is
Yeah. Nice. That's nice. Thank you. I'll pay now. So, tax-free na sila. And pwede rin magpapalit ng battery watch, $6 to $10. Strap adjustment, $3. Super dami nilang relo. Baby G, G-Shock, Timex, Garmin watch. Seiko. Bestseller na watch here. How much na lang siya? So, from 500, naging 470 na lang. $400 plus. Transformers watch. Shop.
Look.
G-Shock watch. Yes.
No, blue.
Wow, you like the blue one.
Are you fixing the watch, Mom?
Sorry, what?
Are you fixing the watch?
Yes, sorry.
Is it finished?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So, ayan yung mga watch nila. Ito $30 lang yan. Casio old school watch. $30, $36. Old school watch. $62. The blue one with the white. Which one? Kasi watch.
Something else.
Okay.
I don't. I want the uncle.
So this is the 3D trading watch shop here in Vancouver. Let's go. As you can see, sobrang daming bilihan ng relo dito. Here's another watch shop. So kung naghahanap kayo ng watch store here in Singapore, this is the place to go.